So I've been actively working on turning our dining room into a crafting space for me because I'm just slowly taking over the whole house. To show you, I put up curtains today and hung these wall sconces, wall lights. I think that's what you call them. Hung them on the wall. Got them on Amazon, and they are battery powered and rechargeable. So I didn't have to wire anything. So I was able to hang these up by myself in like 30 minutes or less. Let me show you how it looks. I absolutely love it. It's like leveling up my space. So here is one side with the curtains and the wall sconces, and then my desk is like a total mess, so please don't judge it. But there's the other side. And so I've got my sublimation oven over there. You can kind of see the beginnings of what I'm doing here. I'm gonna have like my desk and my chair, and then I've got my sconces. And it is oh so pretty and oh so light and airy, and I love it. Now my cabinet just has to come in the mail, and it will go like right here behind me, and I'll be able to store all of my things.